Today I'll be showing you how to make one of my favorite comforting dishes called Soji. My name is Fatima Saab and you can find the recipe for this Soji in my new book, The Hungry Table, or find it on the Taste website. Of course, Soji starts with good quality ghee. I wish you could smell this, the toasted cardamom, cinnamon and saffron. So good, but now we're going to make it even better with some semolina. So this takes about 1 or 2 minutes just to get the semolina nice and toasted. Soji is one of my favorite Indian desserts, and I think it's just because of the spices and the sweetness. It's just so comforting and so delicious. Add in the sugar and milk, and add your milk nice and slowly. The mixture thickens up very quickly, so I'm switching to a whisk and I'm just going to mix until everything is incorporated. You definitely don't need to add cream. You could just do away with milk, but cream just makes it all the more special. I'm also going to add in some rose essence, because why not? And you'll know it's ready when it pulls away from the side of the pan. Like this. This smells so good. I'm gonna go eat this.